welcome to the first video of 2024. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve. In this video I will show you how I made 3.4k on the live 100k account from ForTraders. I'll show you all my trades live and the technical analysis behind those trades. But first I wanted to share my first day of 2024. It was really awesome. We went to Skull Beach in Langkawi. There were monkeys all over the place. I saw a monkey fighting with a dog even, and it finished off with a beautiful sunset on another beach. It is just to show you that forex can do this for you. It's amazing to look back on life because I was really struggling. My country is really difficult to get out of because your rent is high, your food is high, and you don't make that much money. And guys, I just wanted to show you this because I'm so thankful for this skill that I have. It's taken a long time to develop it and it's been a lot of hardships. But I'm from Estonia and the average salary, net salary, is about 1.5k, and we just made that in 2 days. And I'll show you these 2 days that we traded on. But that's just incredible that we can make the whole salary and we can make double that in 2 days. So, I got a lot of friends in Estonia that are working, 5 days a week, working their asses off, stressed out to the max, waking up at 9 a.m. in the morning and working until late at night. So I'm really just blessed to be able to do this, guys, because as you guys can see, we made on that first day, we did 4 trades and we made 2.4k, which is already more than a whole month's salary in my country. So I'm just really grateful for the skill, and I just hope that you pay attention to what I'm showing in the video. Maybe you might learn something that's going to help you on your trading journey, because where I'm at right now, I'm in a really good place. I just have freedom in life, So these are trades from last year, from 28 and 29 December. So check it out. Hey, what is up, you guys? It is the Asian session. I have just woken up. Almost the end of the year, but as you guys can see, it's entering into a nice zone right now. And if you look at the VWAP RSI, it's flashing red on 4-hour time frame, and it's also overbought on the 4-hourly, which is really good. And it's clearly a bearish divergence, as you guys can see. So anyways, we're gonna enter this. Now it is the end of the year, so that is why I'm only using 2 lots, because maybe the market is going to be super weird. So we are just going to be putting a market order with 2 lots, and there we go. We're actually still in an uptrend. This might just be a little move that we're going to catch along the way. This zone is definitely a zone where it will have a correction. What I'm hoping for is that it goes up a little bit higher so that we can scale up this position so we can get the maximum out of it. All right, guys, like many hours later, not much movement. All right, guys, we're in a serious uptrend, but I do still expect a correction from this level. That is why we're going to scale up the position with 4 lots now. Our last position is going to be 6 lots. Now I'm using a little bit smaller lot size, but that is because we're funded and we just want to play it a little bit safer. So it's going to be 2 lots, 4 lots, and then 6 lots for the final perfect entry. The reason I scale up like this is because you never know where it exactly is going to stop. We kind of know. So the last entry is going to be right around here. 480 is what I'm aiming for. All right, guys, I'm gonna go out in a little bit. We're $300 in profit. One of the positions is $400 in profit. Here we can see it like really clearly. I don't like this hour candle that is happening right now. And again, it's creating a lower high on the RSI. Of course, we have the 89 EMA still in a uptrend. So it's a little bit tricky, guys, because I already see it kind of like reversing right now. I'm gonna take the 400, guys, and obviously I'm gonna leave the other trade open, but at least we have some profit secured. All right, guys, taking profit was definitely the right decision. Entered here, we got out right here, and it started to reverse. Now I want to put in a limit order again at 11,315. I do want that 4 lot position still. 11,315, and there we go. So right around there would be a good place. All right, guys, for some reason I don't really trust the market today. You obviously entered that other position, which is now again about 0.5% in profit. I don't know, it just doesn't look right to me. It was my original way that I wanted to do it. It was the original plan. What I will do, guys, is I'll take the 0.5%, the original trade, which is 2 lots. I'll leave that in there with the profit target as we have it right now. And we're going to see after the New York Open what happens in the market. Maybe there's a little bit more volume because of the news and stuff. For now, we're going to leave it like this. I'm actually going to go outside. All right, guys, the 2 lot position hit our TP. And straight after that, it went up. And it's basically hitting the trend line right now. So we're going to put in another trade. And we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to short it with 2 lots. We're going to scale this up as well if it does go higher. Basically, we made 1.6K. I could have held those bigger positions longer. there. I was not gonna risk it, and the news did pay off in our favor. That was just according to the technical analysis. We knew that it was going there. So anyway, what I wanted to do is basically hit this trend line, and now it's hitting the 89 EMA, and that's perfect. All right guys, we're super nicely in profit. All right guys, we're taking profit at 750, around 750. There we go. Just because I saw volume dying down a little bit. So we're at 2.3%. Hey, what is up you guys? I'm liking this movement a lot. It bounced off the 89 EMA. So we're gonna actually long with one lot because our entry is not that great. We're not gonna be risking that much guys on this position. We got this one coming up. Wow, look at how accurate the Fibonacci is, right? Let me just make a horizontal line so you guys see how accurate this Fibonacci is. Look at that. It's hitting right at the top of this movement. And this Fibonacci is calculated from the bottom of this movement to the top of this movement. So wow, that's really accurate guys. So we're aiming for that 127%. All right guys, not much has happened. It's the London Open. We're right at entry right now. All right guys, this is a very unusual movement right now that is happening. A lot of small 5-minute candles, all green, but it is overbought right now. And this is ideally the range that I wanted to go to for a perfect reversal, but we're gonna scale up a little bit already. So we're gonna use 2 lots. We're actually gonna risk a little bit more because I do think we're still in an uptrend, and I think we're eventually going to move upwards. All right guys, it's entering into our zone, so we're gonna scale it up even more. So we're going with 4 lots now. And there we go. All right guys, so I just set up the TPs for 600 bucks here. That's the 4 lot position, and I got these two, the 2 lot position higher up over here. Now the structure is pretty weird, so we're gonna see how this plays out. All right guys, all of our TPs got hit, but it was a pretty good day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I had 600 from that 4 lot trade, 30 bucks from the 1 lot trade, and 400 from the 2 lot trade. And that's really good for a slow day in my opinion. As you guys can see, it kind of went back into where we thought it was gonna go. You know, it might make a move upwards. I don't really care. I'm not gonna look at the charts anymore today. 100% win rates, and we got our payout coming on the 11th of January. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something out of it. If you also want to do a challenge with ForTraders, you can customize these to make it a little bit harder for yourself, but make it also cheaper. And I'll be doing another challenge as well soon. Finally, I'll end the video of this footage from the monkeys on the beach, and I wish you guys all a happy new year, and I will see you guys in the next video.